आज हम बात करेंगे यूनिट 5 की बायोटेक्नोलॉजी से, जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट है आपको, जो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम हो रहे हैं उसमें ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो आप स्टार्टिंग से लेकर अंत तक देखिएगा और सारा लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे, आप वहां से भी देख सकते हैं सारे यूनिट्स का। ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज, what is the basic function of the fermenter? The answer is C. To provide optimum growth condition to organism and obtain the desired product. The answer is C. Okay. Next is second question number. While constructing the fermenter, which of the following is not required? The answer is A. High speed aggregation and aeration system. The answer is A. Next is third question number. Which of the following material is preferable for constructing of a small scale fermenter? The answer is B. Glass. Explanation is the glass is most preferred material for the construction of fermenter. It is transparent so that it is easy to visual the interior of the glass vessel. Moreover, the glass is non-toxic and corrosion proof. The answer is B. Okay. Next is fourth question number. Which of the following is not the technique of preservation? The answer is D. The storing water. The answer is D. Next is five question number. The preservation of by liquid nitrogen is called cryopreservation. The answer is A. Cryopreservation. The answer is A. Next is sixth question number. Which of the following is not a cryoprotective agent? The answer is D. Paraffin wax. क्या है? नहीं है cryoprotective agent. तो कौन सा नहीं है? Paraffin wax. Explanation is the cryoprotective agent like DMSO, 10% glycerol, glycol are the agents that are added to microbial cell culture to protect the cell at a lower temperature in liquid nitrogen at minus 9196 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next is seven question number. Which of the following is used dried culture preservation? The answer is C. Both A and B. A is sand, B is soil. Okay. Next is eighth question number. During the preservation of microbial cell culture, the answer is B. Metabolism continues. Explanation is the preservation of microbial cell culture does not alter the metabolism of microbes. The answer is B. Next is ninth question number. Which of the following method of preservation is more suitable and used widely? The answer is B. Lyophilization. The answer is B. Next is 10 question number. Which of the following is not the replacement in serum-free media? The answer is C. Antibody. Explanation is the important placement in serum-free media are insulin, albumin, transferrin, ethanol, selenium, and B. mercaptoethanol. The answer is C. Next is 11 question number. Hybridoma technology is used in the production of. The answer is C. Monoclonal antibodies. The answer is C. Next is 12 question number. Which of the following provides a protective effect to animal cells? The answer is B. Pluronic F28. Okay. Next is 13 question number. Which of the following is downstream processing? The answer is C. Product recovery. Explanation is the downstreaming processing includes purification and recovery of product obtained from fermenter. The answer is C. Next is 14 question number. Which of the following is not a type of sterilization? The answer is D. Submerged. The answer is D. Submerged is a type of fermentation where microorganisms are grown in liquid medium. The answer is D. Next is 15 instrument works on the principle of batch sterilization. The answer is B. Autoclave. The answer is B. Next is 16 question number. The highest feasible temperature for batch sterilization is. The answer is B. 121 degrees Celsius. The answer is B. Next is 17 question number. The holding time at 135 degrees Celsius will be. The answer is B. 51.9 seconds. 2.44 minutes was the holding time at 130 degrees Celsius. 18.9 seconds was holding time at 140 degrees Celsius, and 2.7 seconds was holding time at 150 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next is 18 question number. Which of the following is a type of continuous sterilizer? The answer is A. Steam injector. The answer is A. ये होता क्या है? Explanation is there are two types of continuous sterilizer: indirect heat exchanger and direct heat exchanger or steam injector. Okay. Next is 19 question number. Which of the following sensor is used to measure the change in flow rate? The answer is B. Weight. Next is 20 question number. Which of the following device is not used to pressure measurement? The answer is D. Dynamometer. Dynamometer is useful in aggregation measurement and control. Okay. Next is 21 question number. Antifoam probe is a type of offline sensor. The answer is B. False. Explanation is the antifoam probe is a type of inline sensor. They are an integral part of the fermenter. It is used to check the formation in the fermenter and control it. Okay. Next is 22 question number. Penicillium Griseofulvin produce penicillin. The answer is A. True. Explanation is Penicillium Griseofulvin is a species of fungus common in temperate and subtropical region. It is the source of several beta-lactam in antibiotics, most significant penicillins. The answer is A. Next is 23 question number. pH required for the production of penicillin will be. The answer is B. 6.5. Explanation is the pH should be between 6.4 and 6.8 during active production phase of penicillin. Okay. Next is 24 question number. Who first isolated citric acid? The answer is B. Carl William. कौन से आइसोलेटेड किया था सिट्रिक एसिड? फर्स्ट में कार्ल विलियम ने किए थे. एक्सप्लेनेशन इज कार्ल विलियम इन 1784 में फर्स्ट आइसोलेटेड किया था सिट्रिक एसिड को एंड फ्रॉम लेमन जूस से. Citric acid is a tribasic acid. Okay. Next is 25 question number. Who observed citric acid as a byproduct of calcium oxalate produced by Penicillium glaucum? The answer is C. Weimar. Okay. Answer is C. Weimar in 1893 observed citric acid as a byproduct of calcium oxalate produced by Penicillium glaucum. The answer is C. Next is 26 question number. Which of the following species is used for the vitamin B12 production by fermentation process? The answer is D. All of these. A is Streptomyces gracis and B is Streptomyces ovalaceus and C is Bacillus megaterium. The answer is D. All of these. Next is 27 question number. Which of the following is the most common method for citric acid production? The answer is B. Submerged fermentation. The answer is B. Next is 28 question number. Which of the following raw material are important for the production of glutamic acid? Glutamic acid. The answer is D. Biotin. Explanation is for glutamic acid is medium generally consists of the carbohydrate, peptone, inorganic salts and biotin. The answer is D. Next is 29 question number. Griseofulvin is a secondary metabolite produced by Penicillium griseofulvin. Yes, Griseofulvin is a secondary metabolite produced by Penicillium griseofulvum and isolated in 1939. Okay. Next is 30 question number. Which of the following is the most common method for Griseofulvin production? The answer is A. Solid state fermentation. The answer is A. Okay. The next is जी पैट्रिवियन क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें एंड शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें. ओके, तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं.